Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to change the background color of a single page in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. So in order to change the page color in the Microsoft Word document, we need to go to the Design tab. Here in the upper right corner you can select the page color, but the problem is that then the color is applied to all pages of the entire document, even if you make different sections. And if you need to make the color of only one page, then the problem arises. How to do it? We go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. We take a large rectangle and draw it on the entire page. Initially it will turn out to be a little less than a page, but then we will stretch it a little. So if we even put the figure in the background, then as we see the text didn't appear. To make the text appear, right click and select Place behind the text. And as you can see, this rectangle fits behind the text and the page becomes the color we need. We can also just right click on this rectangle and change the color to the one we need. And also don't forget that this is just a shape that can be copied to another sheet, moved, reduced, or simply deleted. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.